Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learnify. Today's video I am going to share with you how you can learn English by listening. Is it possible to learn English by listening? So my answer is yes. This is possible to learn English by listening because sometime I heard so many questions. I want to improve my English but I don't know. So in this video I am going to share with you can learn English by listening because a lot of people they don't want to write, they don't want to read books, so many books. So that is why I prefer this video for you. If you are a beginner and if you want to speak, so you can watch English videos, you can listen, then you can improve your English language. So how you can? So first of all, I would like to mention my point of view on this topic. You should watch, you should listen easy English conversations for beginners, easy English lessons for beginners, or English animated stories, that is cartoon stories, or you can watch kids movies in English, kids stories in English. That types of content you should watch it, you should listen every day, even 10 to 15 minutes you must have to give for watch these videos, that videos, whatever you like it according to your like. Okay, you must have to watch it in the beginning. So you must have to watch these types of content, okay, in the beginning. And I know you are a beginner, that is why you are watching this video. If you are fluent, then what's the need to watch my video? Okay, so you will watch other videos, but you are a beginner, that is why you are watching my video. So I want to share, in the beginning you may not understand every word in English, so you must have to watch these types of videos in the beginning. If you listen, then you will feel some incredible changes in your English speaking journey, because sometime you can understand or sometime you may not understand every word, but don't try to translate each and everything in your native language into Hindi, because sometimes uh, the words, the meaning goes wrong. Okay, so don't try to translate everything into Hindi, but you must have to keep listen same video many times, over and over, again and again. Do you know over and over? Over and over, that means it's a phrasal verb, so you can use it if you want to say again and again. You can use it over and over, and also you can use it over and again. Both are the same, or both are the same meaning, so you can use it whatever you like it. But you have to pay attention, you have to be consistent, and you should give 10 to 15 minutes every day for listening practice. And if you listen any video according to your interest, you should do imitation that time. Like, you should speak as well, speak aloud, not silently, not just in your mind, speak aloud. Pause the video just for some seconds, then speak aloud, then again pause the video, listen, or speak aloud. That is called shadowing practice, that you must have to do for improve your English. Even you don't understand, but imitate it, speak it, because when you speak, your minds catch the words and save into your subconscious mind. So you should speak aloud, because when you listen a video many times, your brain become familiar with that words, sentences, or expressions, and the next time when you listen the same video, you can understand easily, you can get everything, the meaning, the sentences easily, because same things your mind is saved in your subconscious mind. Okay, so you must have to watch one video many times. When you imitate, your mouth will work, your mouth works to speak, your mouth try to be comfortable that sentence, that word, or also you will do your speaking practice as well. Okay, so you must have to imitate same video Or another thing is, if you are a beginner, so I want to say, please avoid native English speakers or advanced English speakers, because sometimes we feel uncomfortable, we don't understand, or then we feel disheartened. We feel like it's not my cup of tea, how I can learn English language. So I would say, if you want to improve your English, first you need to learn some small things, then you go advanced things. First you should try to understand, try to listen easy content, then you should go advanced content. Okay, because advanced content that not help you to a lot, you will get disheartened. So I would say, learn small things, because small things bring a big changes. Small things, if you do every day, then small things create a big difference. If you want a big change in your English learning journey, then you have to go step by step. Don't try to learn everything at once, like grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, expressions, idioms. Don't try to learn everything at once. When you learn, that will not help you. That will, you forget everything easily. You learn here, then there you forget. So don't learn everything at once, because accumulated a lot of things, a lot of knowledge, that's not help us, that not help us to improve. We should learn gradually, we should learn simple things, we should learn step by step, then we can achieve the goal. It's not possible to improve your English just by passing one night, just by passing some day. Is it possible? No, guys. How you can say this is possible? No, this is not possible. So I would say, don't try to learn everything at once. Learn small things every day. Be consistent, be patient, or try to maintain your consistency. You must have to watch one video like 10 to 15 minutes every day. Every day follow, imitate. Okay, how I can do speaking practice? If you don't have any speaking partner, so I would recommend you practice with yourself. Do practice with yourself. Explain what's your dream. Explain what you want to become. Explain your habit. Explain what you like, what you dislike. Explain it. Nature. Explain it. Weather. Try to describe. Guys, see, this roof looks like wet. Why? Because here is has rained today a lot. That is why the roof looks like wet. And I'm sitting just beside the wall, because there is some uh, you know drizzling. That is why I'm sitting here, because this is protecting myself, and I will not get wet. That is why I'm sitting just beside the wall. So these types of situational things you have to describe, and you try to learn also describe things, how you can describe it. And yeah, guys, I'm making mistakes sometime, and it's normal. In the beginning, it's normal. So don't afraid if you are making mistakes. Don't afraid if you are trying to learn and then other people they laugh at you. Don't afraid about that. It's not possible to learn without making mistakes. It's our starting point to learn English language. So we have to go through the mistakes, and we have to learn through mistakes, from mistakes. Okay, so everyone they achieve their goal through mistakes. Okay, so you should ignore them. If anyone say any wrong things about your English, so don't consider it too much. Just forget them, just ignore it, because they have right. Whatever they want, they can say it. They have right, but I have my own right for do anything, because I let myself to make mistakes. I want to also share with you, you should let yourself to make mistakes and learn from mistakes. I hope you understand this video very well. Or what did you learn from this video? Did you learn something incredible? I hope you liked this video. If you like it, then please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Or I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Keep learning.